Hi guys, so today first time MotoGP has came to India. So we have visited the Buddha circuit. But now we are going inside. It's gonna be really loud inside, so I won't be able to talk or something. But let's head inside and I'll show you how it is. And plus thanks to Shipesh, one of my friends who got us the passes for here. So thank you. Let me take you inside.
Grand Prix of India 2023 to make it possible in West UP, the massive destination that is really flying like a skyscraper. In West UP has backers all the way through, and all of them making sure this MotoGP is a massive success. It is a target, it is a target.
Indeed. So, for all of you watching the MotoGP race for the first time, आप सब सोच रहे होंगे, why are all these people on the grid? Who are they? Shouldn't it be just the riders and that's it? No, we have
Gentlemen, this is the biggest countdown. People are leaving. The team members are leaving. Come on, Somi, let's do the countdown. Are you ready for the countdown? Delhi, are you ready for the countdown? Let's do it, everyone. 10, 9, 8, 7, this is the last time, ladies and gentlemen. This is it out there. Ready? Ready? Are you
He arrived even better, I say, on that Ducati, because he's currently in
So we are done, and this is the traffic, man. Heck of a traffic, and even the road is shit. Okay, tires are slipping. It's okay. Go, buddy. So it was amazing. As you have seen the videos, oh my god, I thought that it won't be that electric, but it was such an electric environment. We loved it, man. Just loved it. Now we are leaving for home. Actually, when we left a bit earlier, that much, but I love bikes, as on my channel there are only moto vlogs. So yeah, so this is it. Now we are leaving. You enjoy the video, whatever I could make, because it was so loud, so noisy, so crowdy. So whatever I could make, I tried. So thumbs up, subscribe if you want. Bye.